Hello. For getting the itch. To do what, you say? I want to color my hair. Now, I used to have my hair colored. I've had pink, green, blue, purple, orange, red. I'm very comfortable with coloring my own hair. What I'm not comfortable with is bleaching it at home. I have always had it bleached professionally, just to make sure that nothing goes wrong. But I am going to attempt to bleach my own hair. I've done some tests. I've got a test here where I didn't bleach my hair at all. It's surprisingly bright, but it's still not quite as bright as I want it to be. So what I did was I bleached a strand of my hair for like 10 minutes. And this is what we came out with. It's a little brighter. Actually, it's a lot brighter. What I have discovered is that the color I want doesn't need my hair to be super bleached. I just need to lift it like half a level. Welcome to my post-workout hair. I haven't washed it because you want to have some oils built up on it to protect the hair. So what I would like to do is what I learned is called a money piece. Why is it called that? Anyway, it's basically where you color like the front part of your hair. And then what I also would like to do is just color the bottom of it underneath here. And then having the money pieces. One more thing before we get into this, I'm not recommending that you try this. If I was trying to go to blonde, I would not be doing this at home. The only reason I am comfortable doing this at home is because I'm only doing this little bit. So let's get started. All right, welcome to my bathroom. This gets messy real fast. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bleach the underside, and probably what I'll end up doing is bleaching under here, rinsing that out, and then bleaching up here and doing it in 2 steps so that I'm not like racing against time and having to rush around. I think doing it in 2 steps is smarter. When I was doing this test yesterday, I mean, of course, it's bleach, so of course, but like it smells so strong and like, I don't want to breathe that again. I have a respirator. Trying to do hair with that on that would be ridiculous. So I'm gonna try to just use a little face mask. I hate these things. Okay, let's mix. It already smells. I think we're ready. And I'm tired of smelling this, so let's get it done. All right, so I've got these on. They've probably been on here for like, I wanna say 5 minutes now. I can see that it is lightened a little bit. I think I'm gonna leave it on for like 2 minutes, and then we're gonna wash this out, and then we will do the front part just to play it safe, because I'm not trying to like over lighten my hair here. All right, so I have washed the bleach out of the back. I don't know if you can even see it on camera. Also, it's wet, so, you know, it's gonna look darker, but been lightened just a little bit, and that's what we're gonna go for up here too. So I've got this pinned the way that I was told to pin it. So I'm gonna start with these pieces. I gotta go fast. I don't think I'm gonna put this back on. I got bleach on it when I was like taking everything off to wash my hair. I don't think I want that directly on my face. Okay, I'm starting in the middle. I was told to start in the middle. Do the bottom here. Oh my gosh, that is so strong. I'm just gonna try to blend it up here. Now I'm gonna coat the rest of this. All right, I was instructed to section this back like this, question mark. Get that little piece like that. Okay, there's that. Okay, so these are the pieces. I was told to pull it out towards my head like this. We're going to paint the middle. Part of this is getting this right up in there. We got this front piece here. I'm gonna just kind of brush it up underneath a little bit, back like that. I'm trying to blend this a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna hit the rest of this. Flip it up, get the bottom, and then the last side. All right, I'm gonna say this has been on for about 5 minutes now, at least on the parts that I applied first. Let's see what they're doing. Okay, I'm gonna leave this on for like 3 to 5 more minutes and then I'm gonna wash it out. I'd call that a success. You see how it's just barely lighter. All right, this is the fun part. I'm so glad to be done with that bleach. I'm gonna roll my sleeves up. Let's brush this all through. Let me put my gloves on. This is the part that will stain your hands. I'm gonna use my fingers. Oh, I forgot to put Vaseline on my face. Because, you know, I don't really want to look like I have bruises all over my body. Here, and then I'm gonna go around my hairline here. And it's already on my hands. Because it literally, look at that. It just gets everywhere. And you just don't know where it came from. Another pair of gloves. Okay, just gotta wait like 30 to 45 minutes. And I'm gonna clean up my workstation while we wait, so see you then. Good hot chocolate. I may color my whole head. I sort of knew this was gonna happen. This is what happened last time when I did sort of like I guess it was a balayage. And I decided pretty quickly that I wanted to do my whole head. So I was kind of wondering if after doing this I would dye my whole head. And I'm still undecided. But it's highly likely. I am so excited to have colorful hair again. I really missed it. If my head is a full-on color, you'll know why. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this has been enjoyable and maybe you learned something. I don't know. I definitely did. All right, well, bye. I can't make a serious face.